I know that I kind of snuck in over the holiday weekend to publish week 2. So I just wanted to make a short announcement. The directions for everything in this module, I'm hoping, are reasonably clear. But this week it's fun because you're going to create a really short story and then you're going to post it in the discussion. So what I wanted to point out was that in this part where it says create anecdotal video, assignment directions, and rubric, when you click on this part, you'll see that this is where you get the directions for the recording that you're going to make. And then I even include a short example for you. And this is also where you get to look at the rubric for the speech, for the video that you submit, just this really short 1 to 2 minute video. So this is the part where you get the directions, you look at the rubric, but you're not actually submitting anything here. This is where I will go ahead and give you your feedback for the assignment so that you're going to always get points for the speech. You'll notice that the speech, you'll get points for that, but then you're going to post your video. So you're not submitting it there, you're going to post it here in the discussion. So you're going to get points for the speech and you're going to get points for the discussion. And so that's kind of cool because you're getting participation points and you're also getting points for the actual speech. So I hope that that just makes that a little bit more clear. Just that the class is divided into participation points, which you always get for participating in discussions that are really easy points. And then you also get points for the actual speech in the previous frame. So I look forward to watching your stories. If you get them done early, post them early. The other thing about discussions in Canvas that's kind of weird is that you have the Thursday day where you want to post, and then the Sunday night where you want to make your responses. So we'll get into that habit of posting Thursday and responding no later than Sunday. They're always going to be in that sequence. So anyway, if you have any general questions, I will have an office hour on Friday morning from 10 to 11, or you can always just post them in the general Q&A or email me. Take care.